Firstly, we can see from here the mise en scène. It's like animated, and there's more of a like cheese, like some kind of happiness, or more joyful theme to it. It's like the birds represent happiness, their freedom, basically. And this indicates that having Fanta will give you freedom, give you that kind of the life inside you. The cinematography is a long panning shot that is just like not it just pans dynamically, and if it zooms in, zooms out, and focuses on all the main animated aspects. The sound is like a high bass non-diegetic soundtrack, and also the sound effects are in sync with the edits, all the pop-ups and stuff. God, what Fanta's like main focus and style is, like they'll start off with a low bass or low sound soundtrack. Then halfway through, when Fanta's introduced, the soundtrack becomes more happy, more dynamic in a way. Um, Editing, dynamic information like is popping out from everywhere, and this links to the advertising techniques. With editing, it has all this like healthy quotes, like artificial colors, like you can see here. What makes fantasy so refreshing. And pop that one like you see here, it pops away. That gives it that extra oomph to the advert. Made with real fruit, and it goes like down. So from all this, I get that the target audience is probably younger children because this really won't affect proper teenagers or young people. I think they're trying to advertise the new Fanta still. Yeah. Oh, it's just Fanta. And this one's probably targeted younger children, so they're forcing their parents when they're out to buy them Fanta. Thank you for listening.